happy. I'm so happy.
Alright, so we are getting the trailer in place to pick up the Falcon. This driveway is a little cramped. Easy! Yeah. Is that her spot?
I guess so.
Does she not usually sit there? She got in there like she belonged. Falcon.
That's the anchor, you know.
That's the anchor. Jesus.
Bigger than I remember.
That is huge. That thing will like tip the excavator. Not,
Tractor?
yeah, the tractor.
Tractor could lift that.
It might tip it.
It could break whatever you put.
Wow.
And then drive out that way a little bit, and we'll like, you know,
Yep.
turn the wheel and push it over.
Dude, it's kind of cool as fuck. I mean, like,
The mice are getting to it though.
oh, I know. It's a
Like the
shame.
roof
I
of-
wish that we had the time and money to fix it. What if we tried? What if we started like a GoFundMe?
I mean, do people like?
The fucking headlights are spectacular.
Do people
I
care?
know, aren't they?
No, but if we made more YouTube videos, had more views, maybe we could do it.
I mean,
Hey, wait, you look you're a little premature on this. We need to be able to sit in there and make sure that the wheel's good when we're good.
there's only like 2 things.
That's not true. There's at least 4 things right there, Tyler.
Well, I would need to take it out anyway to get some pictures, I guess.
Oh, it's so cool. I wish we had the knowledge to do it.
You can put them in the trunk if you want. I don't need to get pictures.
I mean, like, it would be, I'm saying it would be cool gutted and, I mean, maybe actually not even. Maybe you could keep the interior. That's pretty good. The interior is pretty good.
The interior is fine. It's just the roof. It's like the mice are like literally getting to it. Like, look at this.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Yeah. That wasn't like that like a year ago. So that's new.
Wasn't like that a year ago?
Yeah.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah. But I mean, maybe it was and I didn't notice it as much, but they're definitely up there now.
Ugh, a little moldy.
Yeah.
A little moldy.
A little smelly.
Take this rug out.
A little stinky.
It's a shame. As I said, I wish we had the know-how.
I know. I just don't, and I don't know. I wish we did too. But I'm gonna see. Like you said, I'm gonna make a nice post and be like, someone fix her, save her.
Dude, that headliner's super easy to fix. I mean, you just need an upholstery person to fix it. And then, I mean, after that, it's a really simple car.
Well, the seat's comfortable.
It doesn't adjust at all.
Are you going to try and start it?
It doesn't. Where's the key? But
Well, battery.
yeah, well the battery's in there, but if
It's dead.
But it's dead, yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the key, Tyler?
You need a new battery. Take the one out of my
it's
truck.
not gonna do anything. But
Take the one out of the fucking thing right there.
Oh, yeah, boy. All right, that's what I have this for. All right, let's do it. I wish I brought my tripod. Are you gonna try and start it?
it doesn't. Where's the key? But
Well, battery.
yeah, well the battery's in there, but if
It's dead.
But it's dead, yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the key, Tyler?
You need a new battery. Take the one out of my
it's
truck.
not gonna do anything. But
Take the one out of the fucking thing right there.
Oh, yeah, boy. All right, that's what I have this for. All right, let's do it. I wish I brought my tripod. So, like, everything is good. Oh my god. You could part this out for mad money.
Sell it for mad money, probably.
Dude, you
that's what I
know.
want to do, but I don't want to wait much longer and have it get more damage. You know, like
I
mice
know,
are
I
getting
know.
to
I
it
agree.
now,
Post it up. If you're going to post it up, post it up. We kind of don't have the expertise. But it's at the same time, it's all here, dude. It's not like literally. I think my fucking Nissan Altima I just bought has more rust than this.
The other thing, I think we might need to stop at like Home Depot or something so I can get a tarp big enough to tarp it.
Yeah.
And do you guys think I should have a piece
Uh.
of wood for it to like drive onto so it's not sitting on the ground? Like too. Right?
It would be good to have it up in the air.
It's got the original white wall tires.
Put it up on, like, jack it up and put it up on blocks or something.
What is that?
I
I hope that didn't come from the car, but that's funny.
We can't live.
I'm sure somebody cut wood there. Alright, YouTube, I'm gonna start a GoFundMe. I'm gonna see if this video gets enough views and if anybody donates to the GoFundMe. But if we raise enough money, we can fix this car up. We can. It's just gonna take time. Inline 6?
Yeah.
Damn.
That's like the one thing.
Dude.
We painted that, and that's like it.
Inline 6
What,
is
the
all
black?
right there.
This.
Oh, that.
It's very
That's like the
simple.
one thing we painted. I should get a picture of that.
Fucking hook a battery up to it.
Yeah, do it.
Oh, look, the mice got in there.
Oh, good.
How did they get in there?
Oh, no.
Take it off, Spencer. Fucking mice have been in there.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah, dude. Oh my god, imagine starting it and it's like a mouse. Like,
Tyler, are you sure that you want to get rid of this? I didn't know it was in this good of shape.
is it?
Yeah,
really good shape,
it's in really good shape.
Oh my god.
See, good thing you didn't start it. Wash what?
Oh, sorry,
I
Tyler.
just want
The
the
car.
tires on. Get it away from it.
Oh.
Like it's been in a garage. Most
That's
of
the other
these.
thing, yeah, like when
haven't-
I post something, like it's been stored for literally the past like 34 years. Like,
How much are you gonna try and sell it for?
I don't know. I've never driven it. I've driven it down the road like once, like 3 years ago.
I remember that.
And put your feet on the brakes right there. There's no brakes.
That's
that's
a
a
project
fixable
of
thing.
ours.
That's a
That's
fixable-
I
you
mean,
just
my
need the
opinion
brakes.
on it would be that you should put $1,000 into getting a whole new brake set. You know.
Dude, you could probably put like $2,000 into this car and it would be fucking worth 20.
Yeah. It's not gonna depreciate.
No, and in fact, I would
Well,
I wouldn't
wait,
even
that's the
paint
thing,
it.
though.
I'd
You
leave it
think-
like
because
that.
It's been in a garage and now it's gonna be going outside.
Well,
Tarp it.
been,
Put,
like,
tarp over it.
yeah,
Well, yeah,
put it
but,
on
like-
wood and tarp it.
Tyler.
But you still think like even with that it'll be still okay then?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just get fucking lift it in the air and put a tarp over it. But I
Oh,
think
put
'Cause I was even
mothballs
I was
in there.
even thinking buying one of those hoop,
Oh, it's
like
so-
one of those like hoop garage things.
Do that.
That would
I'd
be
be down.
great,
Yeah.
yeah.
I
Like,
mean,
I-
if you
I
give
care about
me
this car,
if
like,
you
I
give
would
me the
do
rights
that.
to drive it, then
Give me the rights.
then we can store it
I'm
on my
sure that
property.
he'll Let us both drive it
we
when it's
can-
fucking done.
Once it's drivable, like,
Yeah,
I, mean,
but
I would love to see
put
it
it in a
drivable,
tarp
I'd
building.
love to see it.
I didn't think it
As
was in
far
as
as
good a
the
shape.
body goes, I'd say just put a clear coat over it and call
Yeah,
it.
clear.
call that
Keep the
good.
patina
People
on it.
love
That's what
patina.
I was gonna
Yeah.
say. That
Yo,
that
I
guy that was
just-
here. He was just saying, and that's what people are doing. It's just
Yeah.
putting clear coat over it and then leaving like everything
Yeah,
else.
and then everything
And I was
else,
like,
like,
really?
you could fucking stick a brand new motor. You could fucking. I have a motor for you.
This motor
We could-
probably runs, but yeah,
It's
you
probably
could
fine,
make
but
it
you
a
could put
gasser.
bigger motor in
With
there.
what
You could put a
Spencer
V8 in
has,
there.
we could make it a gasser, like a race car.
Like,
See, I don't. I
unofficial.
thought.
Or
I
you
literally
could
thought
keep
you
this
have
in
to,
it.
I was gonna say. I literally thought you
Or-
have to have like an exact part
Do
to.
you see how much room there is, dude?
Well, I
Fuck
don't
no.
know.
No, I'm telling you.
Yeah,
you-
cars, like
well,
anything.
you
So
can
I, like,
there's
the fact
like-
that you're saying that you
There's
can put
just a
another
little bit of
engine
rust in
I have,
it.
I have one for you.
But that's the other thing. Like, if we do this stuff to it, is that gonna depreciate the value to
Fuck
it?
no.
No, it's
No.
gonna increase the value.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah.
Like, if we don't like mess that from like.
It's the
You know,
outside.
if
that
we don't
would
know. I
decrease
mean, I
the
know
value.
Hey,
you guys know
if-
what you're doing, but like,
If Spencer
You know?
Spencer and I were to, I mean, if we were to rebuild his engine and then put it in here and then put get a Ford 9-inch from a junkyard and put all that shit in, just do it right with clean stuff. I use my sandblaster, we get all the rust off.
Redo
we
the
don't
suspension.
we make sure we practice our welds. You know, this is a
Yeah.
couple years in the
Well,
future.
you need a TIG
Do
welder
good
to do
welds.
good welds.
TIG
With a
welder.
TIG welder, you
We'd have our
basically-
$1,000
it's hard not
TIG
to do
welder.
good welds.
This would be worth $50,000 if you made it into a gasser like that.
I'm fine with keeping it. I just didn't know.
You're like,
I didn't
I'm
know
on
if
your
it-
side.
I didn't know if that was the right thing to do. I
It
just
is.
Didn't know.
It has too much potential.
It's got so
I
much
thought it
potential.
Like I said, for like $2,000 and a little elbow grease, this thing will be fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's good to hear.
Yeah, and I say try
I-
to get this engine working first, but if
Yeah,
not,
no,
we'll
we're-
slap a
Well,
new
yeah,
one
if
in.
you guys
We're
want
almost
to
ready to
try
start it.
Yeah.
What we need,
Yeah,
should we
let's
put
def-
water in here?
Fucking antifreeze if we had some.
Yeah.
Pick out. Tyler, you be ready. Well, Is he
And
pulling up?
he's pulling up, and
Yeah.
you're gonna pull that and then push me to
Oh
fast.
my god.
All right, what do I need to do? What help?
Are we going back further?
Like driving, right? Yeah, not really. There you go. That's pretty straight.
There's no power steering either.
Alright.
There's us power. Us power. Put the rims. I should line the truck up with this. The hook.
Yeah, like I think it's
Wow. I don't know, man. I think that's a good spot. It's a bump. It's definitely the bumper mount. I don't think that the bumper mount should be. I don't know, man. I think only frames. I know it is, but it's like the story of when my dad's met. Around the frame. Let's go around. I'm suspicious. Yeah, Spencer just has to watch. Bullet 33. Calhoun. The Falcon came home. Project for later. Finally got it off. It took 37 minutes, but we got it unloaded from the trailer.